Okay, ready? Hi, Lucy. Kevin.
Oh, she thinks that's hers.
Kevin, look, this is Nana and Pop Pops. Yeah, it's Sophie the giraffe and another teeth. And see, this is your original. A little faded, huh? So we needed a new one. And this is a nice soft one that we give hugs and kisses to. Isn't it great? And we give a hug. Lucy, what is it?
She thinks that's hers, Molly.
Oh. Here, just, I can see how well he does without the, So cute. Curls. Uh-oh. Hi, Lucy. Where's Lucy's ball? Oh, here's Lucy's ball. Lucy. You can get one of these balls. There you go. How about this ball? I don't want to touch it. Oh, here, let me grab this. And here's your other softball. Good job, Kevin. Good job. Dada, can we,
What's wrong?
Oh, I just think it's, I think I need to give him his next bottle pretty soon. I don't want to